اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
Have heard about the great book Al-Ghadir of Allama Amini, and he has written these books in 11 volumes. So this is the sacrifice of the great alim that he spent, look at this hard work that he spent 40 years to write that book, Al-Ghadir, in 11 volumes, and he used to study 17 hours a day. He was not masoom, but he dedicated his time towards it. And Al-Ghadir is the answer of Man kuntu Mawla fahaza alin Mawla. So she has to take all, and he said that he has read 10,000 books from the first page to the last to just, prove that hadith. So look at the great example. And then, mashallah, what is the reward? We would be thinking, oh, Allama Amini wrote the book Al-Ghadir. What would be a reward? Can you think? So, his son, he died long time ago, but when his son saw his father, he said, oh, my father, you did so much hard work. You wrote that book. What Maula Ali gave you? And you will be amazed to hear that he said, he's talking in dream to his son. He said, when I went to Hawza Kausar, Maula Ali was giving water to everybody. And when I came, my turn come, Maula Ali said that, okay, you drink from my own hand. Sallu ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. So see, this is the reward. If anybody do khidmat, anybody do sacrifice, so look at the ajr and benefits. Mashallah, and Allama Amini, just to add one more thing, Allama Amini, who did so much hard work, who wrote this book, he visited so many countries, day and night, he used to study in library. Even somebody asked, how's the weather? Oh, you visited India, how was the weather? He said, I did not even go out. I was in the library the whole day. I even don't know about the weather. So, but he said that whoever recites salawat with ajil farajahum, I will share the sawab of writing this book with him. Aloud salawat. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad wa ajil. So this, we know, if we want anything, this want hard work, this want sacrifice. So how we can claim our love to our Mawla if we don't, even if we don't have passion to learn ilm deen. So that's why it's highly recommended for all of you who come here today. I highly appreciate if you yourself be regular in learning knowledge, come to wherever the these kind of religious gatherings are going on, and encourage your friends, encourage your daughters to do this, because there are a lot of sawab and there's a lot of reward for this. So, and even not only that, he's just acquiring knowledge. When you see his life, he's towards the ibadat and worship. Even in Imam Raza Haram, he used to recite 1,000 rakat. And then people say, how come he can do that? So he said, my Mawla used to do it. Whole night he don't sleep. So we have a balance. He do worship also, he do also ibadat and riyazat and mutalla, everything. So we have the example for everything.